Speak version equals 1.0 XML, lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUS Neural. Prosody rate equals -11%, pitch equals -1 Hz. So I tried this top 12V LiFePO4 100Ah for a bit and here's what I noticed. The overall look is break time equals 180 ms / actually really clean. Honestly, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's one of those things you end up using often. Price-wise, break time equals for 50 ms / break emphasis level equals moderate time equals for 50 ms / emphasis. See you in the next one. /prosody /voice /speak